If you want hands-free music control, integrating Amazon Alexa with Sonos speakers is simple, and there are two easy ways to do it depending on your setup. You can connect Alexa to Sonos in two main ways. The first option is using Sonos speakers with built-in Alexa, such as Sonos One and Sonos Beam. These models have Alexa integrated directly, so you can give voice commands without any extra devices. The second option uses a separate Amazon Echo or Echo Dot to control any Sonos speaker, including older models. This method gives you more flexibility in speaker placement and works across your entire Sonos system. No matter which method you choose, setup starts the same way. Make sure your Sonos system and Alexa app are updated, then open the Alexa app and enable the Sonos skill. Sign in to your Sonos account, discover devices, and link your music services like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music in both apps. For Sonos speakers with built-in Alexa, also add Alexa directly inside the Sonos app under Voice Services. Once connected, you can use commands like Alexa, play music in the living room, or Alexa, turn down the volume in the kitchen. Creating Alexa groups makes control even easier, letting you say, Alexa, play music without naming the room.